Here's the latest on pricing and availability for the much-anticipated Apple Vision Pro. Price. The Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499 in the US. This price includes 256 GB of storage. Pre-orders and availability. You can pre-order the Vision Pro starting Friday, January 19th at 5 a.m. PST. The device will be available from Friday, February 2nd. Where to buy? It will be available at all US Apple Store locations and online at the US Apple Store. Zeiss optical inserts. For those who need vision correction, Zeiss optical inserts are available. The reader's version is priced at $99, while the prescription inserts cost $149. What's included? The Vision Pro package comes with a solo knit band and dual loop band, offering 2 fitting options. Also included are a light seal, 2 light seal cushions, an Apple Vision Pro cover for the front, a polishing cloth, a battery, a USB-C charge cable, and a USB-C power adapter. Are you planning to buy the Apple Vision Pro? Comment below. The Vision Pro is shaping up to be a premium product with a price to match, aimed at offering a groundbreaking experience in spatial computing and virtual reality. What's cool about Vision Pro is how you control it, using your eyes, hands, and voice. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. There's an all-new app store too, where you can access over 1 million apps that are compatible with both iOS and iPadOS. Plus, there are going to be new experiences designed just for the unique features of Vision Pro. If you're itching to get one, pre-orders start on Friday, January 19th at 5 a.m. PST. This is what Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, said about this news. The era of spatial computing has arrived. Apple Vision Pro is the most advanced consumer electronics device ever created. Its revolutionary and magical user interface will redefine how we connect, create, and explore. Apple Vision Pro has a revolutionary operating system and user interface called Vision OS. This operating system is a result of years of Apple's engineering efforts in macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. Vision OS is designed to deliver some pretty impressive spatial experiences, whether you're at work or just hanging out at home. The user interface is 3-dimensional and totally controlled by natural inputs like your eyes, hands, and voice. Imagine just looking at an app to interact with it, tapping your fingers to select, flicking your wrist to scroll, or using a virtual keyboard or voice commands to type. And with Siri, you can do even more, like opening apps or playing media. The Apple Vision Pro is going to transform the way we interact with technology. Imagine being able to immerse yourself in breathtaking environments like national parks or even the moon's surface, all from the comfort of your home. This feature, called Environments, lets you expand beyond the physical limits of your room. Plus, you can control how much you want to immerse yourself in these scenes with a simple twist of the digital crown. The Vision Pro isn't just about stunning visuals, it's also about redefining personal computing. Its 3-dimensional interface allows you to interact with apps in a whole new way. Freed from the confines of a traditional screen, apps can float beside you at any size you choose, creating an endless canvas for multitasking and collaborating. Thanks to Vision OS, which builds on familiar developer frameworks, you'll have access to over 1 million apps from iOS and iPadOS on the Vision Pro. These apps are automatically compatible with Vision Pro's unique input system. And there's more. An all-new app store is coming, dedicated to spatial computing experiences that you won't find on any other platform. This means you can arrange and resize apps in your virtual space while staying connected to your physical environment. Productivity and collaboration are getting a major upgrade on the Apple Vision Pro. Think of apps like fantastical freeform Jigspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack. With the Vision Pro, these apps can be positioned side by side, at any size you need, for incredible multitasking. And if you're a fan of Apple's Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad, you're in luck. They're fully supported. Imagine turning your Vision Pro into a giant private 4K display with Mac Virtual Display. That's some serious workspace magic right there. Now, for the entertainment buffs, the Vision Pro's ultra-high resolution displays pack more pixels than a 4K TV in each eye. This means you can watch your favorite shows and movies from Apple TV+, Disney+, and more on a virtual screen that feels like it's 100 feet wide, with full HDR support. And there's more. Over 150 3D titles in the Apple TV app, Apple Immersive Video with 180-degree 3D 8K recordings, and interactive experiences like Encounter Dinosaurs. For the gamers, the Vision Pro is a dream come true. With access to the App Store and over 250 titles on Apple Arcade, games like NBA 2K24 Arcade Edition and Sonic Dream Team can be played on a massive virtual screen, complete with amazing audio and controller support. Plus, there are new spatial games designed just for Vision Pro, like Game Room, What the Golf, and Super Fruit Ninja, creating unique and immersive gaming experiences by transforming the space around you. Now let's dive into the top 12 revolutionary things the Apple Vision Pro offers. 1. Memories brought to life. Vision Pro enables users to capture and relive memories in new ways. Spatial photos and videos, combined with spatial audio, create immersive experiences. Users can capture spatial video on the iPhone 15 Pro models and view them on Vision Pro, including life-size panoramas. 2. FaceTime. Become spatial. FaceTime calls on Vision Pro are more lifelike. Participants appear life-size with spatial audio. If a user is on Vision Pro, they appear as their persona, enabling real-time display of facial expressions and hand movements. This feature also extends to third-party apps like Zoom, WebEx, and Teams. 3. A revolutionary operating system and user interface. Vision Pro is powered by Vision OS, which offers a three-dimensional interface controlled by eye, hand, and voice gestures. The interface allows for seamless interaction with apps, aided by Siri for quick actions. 4. Extraordinary experiences. The device supports a range of productivity apps and introduces an all-new app store for spatial computing experiences. With Mac Virtual Display, users can integrate their Mac's capabilities into Vision Pro. 5. The ultimate entertainment experience. The headset features ultra-high resolution displays for an immersive viewing experience of movies and TV shows. Apple Immersive Video provides 180-degree, three-dimensional 8K recordings. 6. New gaming experiences. Vision Pro supports a wide range of games from the App Store and Apple Arcade, along with new spatial games developed specifically for the device. 7. Breakthrough design. Apple Vision Pro combines advanced materials and technology for performance, mobility, and wearability. It is modular for personalization, featuring a three-dimensionally formed glass and aluminum frame. 8. Unrivaled innovation. It boasts a micro-OLED display with 23 million pixels per display, spatial audio, and advanced eye tracking for responsive input. The M2 chip and a new R1 chip power the device. 9. Privacy and security. Vision Pro includes Optic ID for iris-based authentication and ensures privacy in navigation and eye tracking. 10. Accessibility in Vision O. Vision Pro includes reimagined accessibility features like VoiceOver and Zoom, allowing users to interact using their eyes, hands, or voice. 11. Environmentally friendly design. It's designed with recycled materials and meets Apple's high standards for energy efficiency and environmental responsibility. 12. Apple Vision Pro and the environment. Apple aims to be carbon neutral across its manufacturing supply chain and product lifecycle by 2030. Pre-orders for Apple Vision Pro begin on January 19th, and it will be available in stores from February 2nd. This device marks a significant step in personal computing and spatial experiences, showcasing Apple's commitment to innovation, user experience, and environmental responsibility.